Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through defining archetypes. Guys, I'm also not having that much clarity on this topic, guys. So if you are trying to search the exact definition with an example with a clear explanation, this is not the right video, guys. Okay. So I'll just to give you some introduction with a small example, guys. That's it. Okay. So because I also didn't find much reference about these topics. Okay. Okay, so defining archetypes. So this includes importance of abstraction, guys. So basically here you will be designing the architecture in a simple way, that in this way. So basically you will be connecting some classes or some components to the other. So and there will be some relation between them. So basically the detector and indicator. So basically depending on the detected values, it will be indicating something, right? So these both will be belonging to the same level. So these values will be passed on to the node. Okay, and this node will be transferring them onto the controller, and controller will do some communication operations and everything, and it will be sending messages, and it will be informing if there is any theft or any issue. Okay, so let us go through some theoretical concepts. So detector, as the name suggests, it refers to a sensing the information and delivering it to any of the end system. So basically the end systems are nothing but these are the systems, guys. You can call them as systems components. Okay, so indicator, it indicates the issue or status. So basically it will show that there is an issue. It will show if it is 0, it is an issue. If it is 1, it is not an issue. If it buzzers or if it gives a sound, there is an issue. If not, it's not, there is no issue, like that. Okay, so node is nothing but it collects from several inputs, guys, and it outputs it to another components or nodes. Okay, so controller, based on the input, decisions are made. Controlling using this will be making some control statements or conditions, guys. So based on the conditions, it will be sending the messages and information to other devices. So if you connect any kind of message sending mechanism for this, it will send a message based on the conditions, like that. Okay, this is just a small introduction about archetypes architecture, guys. That is nothing but defining archetype architecture. So in the next lecture, we'll be going through defining architecture into components. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.